Hey, welcome to Lessons with Mr. Clark. Today we're going to talk about long multiplication. Okay, I have some other videos out there on multiplication that you should watch before this. We're going to review a couple of those concepts. Remember, multiplication is just repeated addition. So, this first thing, we're going to use place values of 27 to fill in the blanks in the parentheses. Then give the value of 2 times 27. Reminds me of a joke. Here you go. Why did 2 4s not eat dinner? Because they already ate. Oh, math teacher humor. All right, 2 times 27 is the same as, in expanded form, 2 times 20 plus 2 times 7. That's the distributive property. Okay, so then 2 times 20 equals 40 plus 2 times 7 is 14. So 40 plus 14, you got it, 54. Okay, here we have a rectangle with side lengths of 5 and 53. Let's split the rectangle up into smaller pieces. So instead of 153, we're going to break it up into 100 plus 50 plus 3. We're adding those 3 together. Okay, because I don't know my 153 facts. So 5 times 100 is just 500. There'd be 500 little square units in here. 5 that direction, 100 that direction. 5 times 50 is 250, and then 5 times 3 is just 15. It already tells us that. Okay, this is not to scale 3 and 50, but you get the point. Okay, so 500 plus 250 plus 15, well, 500 plus 250 is 750, plus 15 is 765 square units in there. All right, and we always want to ask, does it make sense? 5 times about 200 is about 1,000. Yeah, that answer is close to 2,000. 1,000, I'm sorry. Okay, this next one, 538 times 56. So we're going to break up the 56. We're going to break it up into 50. And we're going to add 538 times 6. Okay, so let's do 538 times 50 first. Now what I like to do with my zeros is I just like to keep them on the outside. So just take that 0 straight down. Then we only have to do 538 times 5. Make your life easier. So 5 times 538 is 2,690, but times 50 is 26,900. Okay, now we're going to do 538 times 6. There are no zeros there. Sometimes I'll make mistakes with these. This is actually my second run through in this video since I had a mistake in the last one. Okay, so now I'm going to add 26,900 to 3,228. Okay, so the old school way, the way I did it growing up, was I would put that underneath, and then I would put the other number straight underneath that. You can do this when we get to your work. I just think I've found it makes it a lot easier for kids to do it this way, to really break it up. So your answer should be 30,128. So let's see if that makes sense. 5 times 5 is 25. And then if we turn all those into zeros, that's 3 zeros. So my answer should be bigger than 25,000. Yeah, 30,000 is bigger. 30,128. That answer makes sense. Good chance I'm right. If you prefer to do lattice method, that's good. You can do that too. Feel free to do that. But today I want you to practice this technique. Okay, we're going to do 8,023 times 123. I put the 123 on the bottom because that's an easier one to work with. Okay, so then we're going to expand out 123 into 100 plus 20 plus 3. Look at this. I'm even changing the color. You do not have to change change the color. So I do need 8023 on top every time. Okay, neatness is kind of important, but organization is super important. Ooh, 8023 times 100, that's easy, I just add 2 zeros at the end. 8023 times 20, I'm just going to do it times 2 and bring that down like we did earlier. This, it's super important that we don't forget the 0 here. Your answer isn't 16,460, it's 160,460. Same thing over in this last one. Don't forget that 0 in there. Okay, so now I need to add 802,300 plus 160,460 plus 24,069. I could rewrite this anywhere. Sometimes I like taking lined paper and turning it sideways. Okay. I hope you're working this and not just copying me, because I am wrong once in a while. All right, I have 986,829. Let's see if that makes sense. 100 times this number, well, if it's just 100, I could just add 2 zeros to it. My answer should be about 800,000. Yeah, it is, 986,829. All right, in conclusion, today we worked on long multiplication. Thanks for joining. Hope you have a great day.